everybody, Katerina here. Welcome to my home on this gorgeous day. Today's date night, and I absolutely love date night. My honey's away golfing. When he gets back, I'm going to be preparing lobster rolls. I first had this in the Bahamas. I love this dish, very easy to make with homemade brioche buns. And let's get started. My brioche buns are ready. I'm just going to set them aside for now. And I'm going to get started with the lobster filling. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter at a low heat. I'm going to add 3/4 cups of chopped celery. A teaspoon of salt. To let this saute for about 4 minutes. 1 pound of already pre-cooked lobster claws. We have a wonderful fishmonger close by, and you can purchase it already prepared. Now, because it's already been pre-cooked, I'm going to put it inside my celery mixture here, and I'm only going to leave it for 1 minute just to warm up. Now I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of fresh diced parsley, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon of dill, 1/4 cup of mayo. Lobster filling is ready. Now I'm going to prepare my brioche rolls. Slice my rolls in half. This. I'm just going to fill them. How easy was this to make? Absolutely delicious. My honey is going to love it. Lobster rolls are ready. They smell heavenly. My honey is going to love them, and I think we're going to remember Bahamas. And I hope you will try this wonderful recipe. It's Katerina from My Home.